If partnerships have felt harder, messier, and more fragile than ever, you're not imagining this. I personally have experienced that over the last several years, where it seems that things are more rushed and short-term focused and a little more ad hoc than they were in the past, with people coming and going and really hard to get into a rhythm when you're partnering with new people like in that environment. Add to that the new challenges that AI brings, and we're kind of at a unique moment in time. So that's why I thought it'd be great to reach out to many of you I've partnered with before and really start to explore what that future of partnerships might look like. Now, I really enjoyed the work at TCS that I did recently because it allowed me to engage with a diverse set of subject matter experts to solve Fortune 500 company problems by identifying where automation, including AI, can transform those businesses. But there's at times also that you felt like, you're just a cog in the wheel, and it left me less than satisfied. So as I look at my next phase in life and career, I'm really exploring this idea of partnerships a lot more. Now, AI is totally transforming what that's going to look like. And for a lot of the people that maybe are independent consultants or fractional leaders or whatever that is, there's a lot of excitement to trying to do that on your own. And the challenges are less about the work and the ideas than it is the partnerships to scale something meaningful. That's why I'm hosting a small 2-session Future of Partnerships co-working lab. It's a short interactive workshop environment that allows us to bring real-world experiences into the room and then use AI to help identify what are some of the patterns that we see across all of our experiences, and then help design how do we start new engagements next year to make those partnerships more effective and successful. Now, if you've been in any of my workshops, you know that this is not going to be a lecture. The key is asking good questions and getting people actively involved in mapping out the current environment. And then we get into designing and new templates and tools that are going to help us be more successful in creating those partnerships in 2026. So especially if you're an independent consultant, you're looking for more meaningful partnerships instead of just more gigs, or maybe you're a semi-retired professional that wants to still have meaning in the work, but the flexibility to do it on your own terms. Or finally, maybe it's for all of those people that are in transition and debating whether to go back inside or to go alone or a small firm. These are all great opportunities to step back and look at what the partnerships of those engagements could look like. So if this is sparking any interest for you, great. What I'd like you to do, click on the link and learn some more. All the details are in there, so you don't have much time, and I'm limiting it to a small group of people because I want this to be highly engaging and meaningful. What you get coming out of that is a set of templates that you can use for whatever purpose you want, whether that's your own business or in partnership with others. But also you're going to meet like-minded individuals. Who knows, maybe your new partner will be showing up at that workshop as well. So click on the link and learn. Reach out to me. I'm here to connect you with what your future entails. I hope you take me up on the offer. It's going to be great.